welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of military aviation, focusing on two remarkable fighter jets, China's J-35 and Israel's F-15 D-BAS. Let's start with the J-35, a cutting-edge stealth fighter jet that represents a significant leap in China's military aviation capabilities. Designed for versatility, the J-35 is equipped with advanced avionics and a powerful engine, allowing it to perform a variety of missions, from air superiority to ground attack. Its stealth features enable it to evade radar detection, making it a formidable opponent in modern aerial combat. As China continues to enhance its defense technology, the J-35 stands out as a symbol of the nation's growing prowess in the skies. Now, let's shift our focus to the F-15 D-BAS, which has a storied history in the Israeli Air Force. The name BAS, meaning Falcon in Hebrew, perfectly encapsulates the aircraft's role as a dominant force in air superiority. When Israel received its first F-15 BAS in 1976, it marked a pivotal moment in military aviation. This aircraft not only provided Israel with a significant technological edge over its regional adversaries, but also established the F-15 as a legendary fighter jet in its own right. The F-15 BAS is renowned for its exceptional speed, agility, and combat capabilities. With a powerful engine and advanced avionics, it can engage multiple targets simultaneously, making it a versatile asset in various combat scenarios. Over the decades, the F-15 has proven its mettle in numerous conflicts, solidifying its reputation as one of the sharpest tools in the IAF's arsenal. Its ability to adapt and evolve with technological advancements has kept it relevant in the ever-changing landscape of aerial warfare. Both the J-35 and the F-15 D-BAS showcase the incredible advancements in military aviation technology. While the J-35 represents the future of air combat for China, the F-15 BAS stands as a testament to Israel's innovative spirit and strategic foresight. Each aircraft reflects the unique needs and challenges faced by their respective nations, highlighting the importance of air superiority in modern warfare. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of these remarkable fighter jets. If you found this video insightful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on technology and aviation.